With permutation, order matters. The first thing, looking at the formula, this is n, so how many items we have, and we want them to happen 3 at a time. So I'm going to plug into the formula. 6 factorial, the exclamation point is called a factorial, 6 minus 3 factorial. So what we're looking at is 6 factorial over 3 factorial. Well, what does that mean exactly? Factorial means we're going to multiply that number and every number below. So it's 6 times 5 times 4, 3 times 2 times 1, all over 3 times 2 times 1. So now we're just going to simplify this, and this will tell me how many possibilities I have. I can cancel out 3, 2, 1 with 3, 2, 1. So now I'm just looking at 6 times 5 times 4. So there's 120 possibilities if I start with 6 items and I order them 3 at a time. 8 students are in a race. First, second, and third places will win medals. And how many ways can 8 runners finish first, second, and third? So we're going to set up our equation. I have 8 runners, and how many can be first, second, or third? So that's 8 factorial over 8 minus 3 factorial. Because order matters, this is a permutation. So I'm looking at 8 factorial over 5 factorial. So that's 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, all over 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So then I cancel anything on the top with anything on the bottom. When I multiply 8 times 7 times 6, I get 336 possible combinations. Because again, if I'm running this race, I could be first, or I could be second, or I could be third. So order does matter.